We opened since July 2014. We're one of the first few specialty coffee shops in Ho Chi Minh City. You hardly find good quality Vietnamese beans elsewhere in the world. Even though Vietnam is the second largest producing coffee country in the world, we try to bring out the very best, the very finest of the Vietnamese local beans. That's why we work directly with the farmers and we are involved in the whole process. We serve international food. In some way you can call it comfort food. For the greens, for the vegetables, we have the source from a local farm. We try to source everything as much locally as possible.